next station is Nagoya.
Tubig. Ano to?
Mabuhay! Filipino Airlines welcomes you to Nagoya.
Okay guys, so it is currently 12:39 p.m. and we're here sa Nagoya. First time namin dito. Yes. Hinabol namin yung train kasi 12:32 bumibili kami ng ticket, tapos yung departure ng train 12:37. So ayun, hinabol namin pero kaya naman. Now we're going to Nagoya Station, tapos magte-train ulit going to yung stop na malapit sa hotel namin. So yeah, and then after I need to do my makeup para in case na mag-picture. Hello, kailangan naka-makeup. Tapos, shopping! I need to buy curling iron. Kasi hindi pwede yung curling iron ko dito. So, sabi sa TikTok, bumili na lang daw. So, bibili na lang tayo. So, yeah. Ano lang naman to? 3 stops lang. So, tingin ko mga 20 minutes. Gano'ng katagal? 26 minutes. So yeah, let's go! Okay guys, so it is currently 5:53 p.m. and lumabas kami ni Mami kasi kailangan namin bilhin yung mga kape ni Ate Nick. So, bibili na namin. Nandito na kami. Yes, bago magsara. Nandito na kami sa Saki area. So, at least nakikita na rin namin yung mga stores. And ang dami namin nadaanan na magaganda. Pero, syempre ang agenda is Alpen. But I'm not sure yet. Depende kung madaanan. But, this is the view right now. It's giving Ginza or Gangnam or whatever. But yeah, laki ng Zara dito. Shocks! We're looking for Matsuzakaya. Doon ata yung Nespresso. And wala kaming wifi, so wala akong map. So, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero, we should be there soon. Feel ko. And, I'm seeing Nike from afar. Okay, weather check. Windy, pero hindi naman malamig. Maganda yung weather, actually. Naka-skirt lang ako. So, for me, hindi naman ganun kalamig. And, tumitigil naman yung hangin. So, kaya pa, kaya pa. Nasaan na kaya yun? There's Remova. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Baka nalagpasan namin, hindi lang namin alam. Pero, whatever. We'll see kung saan kami mapunta. Okay guys, we found it. We're here na sa Matsuzakaya. And ngayon, pupunta na kami sa Nespresso to buy the coffee pods. Diba, nakarating naman kami kahit wala kaming Google Maps. Kasi legit isang diretso lang siya. Ikutin na lang natin tong buong B1. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan yung Nespresso. So yeah, let's see kung ano mabibili natin sa Nespresso. Let's go! This one, tapos ito, tsaka ito. Yes.
Ito. Sorry, this one.
Okay guys, so it is currently 1:34 p.m. and we're on our way to Center Court, our first tennis store for the day. Kakagaling lang namin sa Nagoya Castle and yun lang naman yung agenda namin, Nagoya Castle and then tennis stores. So we're walking to Center Court. Medyo malayo siya from the station. Pero yun na kasi yung pinakamalapit. So, ayun. I'm so excited. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy a racket, but I'm for sure gonna buy some grips kasi ubos na yung akin. Kasi white yung grip ko. So, lagi ko siyang pinapalitan. So, ayun, naubos na. And, pa. And then, kanina, kumain lang kami near Nagoya Castle since hindi namin sure kung may kainan dito sa area na to. So, we had like 3 train transfers. So, it's quite far pa talaga from Nagoya Castle. But anyway, weather check. Mahangin, but it's not that cold yet. Although kanina nung mahangin, medyo malamig. Pero, kaya naman. So, yeah, I'll see you guys sa Center Court. Okay guys, update. We have arrived at Center Court. It is right here. Medyo malayo yung lakad, pero kaya na yaman. So, here it is. I'm excited. Tatay gusto ni Kuya. Okay guys, we just finished sa Center Court. And as always, ako lang na naman yung nakabili. I bought, Yonex grips. White and lilac or lavender. Para matry lang yung lavender. Sana bagay naman siya sa racket ko. But next, we're going to another pro shop. And medyo malayo siya from here. So, sana meron na dun yung mga rackets na hinahanap namin. Meron naman yung racket na hanap ko dun sa Center Court. Pero kasi it's 280 grams. I'm thinking like 285 or 290. Tapos hindi rin siya pwede i-demo. So, di ko alam paano siya ita-try. But, yeah. We cross here. So scared. Uy. We cross here and then we turn right. Ang galing ko gumawa ng itinerary. Sobrang detailed talaga. Na para bang Google Maps ang peg. Pero yeah, we're going to Tennis Pro Shop Junction. So yeah, see you guys there. 295. But this is grip 3. I need one. Laki lang difference ng 3 tsaka 1. Tingnan. 280, 295 na yung sunod. Ganon. Okay guys, it is currently, what time is it? Nagtatago. 5:07 p.m. And dalawang tennis stores kami. Tapos dito lang kami mapapadpad sa Alpen, kung saan kami nanggaling kagabi. Malapit sa hotel namin. And I got my racket. This is it. 295 Yonex Muse Grip 1. 100 frame size. Nakabili rin naman ako ng mga grips sa baba. Pero same lang kasi yung presyo dito. Tsaka doon. So, siguro yung advantage lang is nakabili kami ng wristbands doon na wala naman dito. So, yan. Hindi na ako nag-vlog dun sa Tennis Pro Shop Junction kasi wala ka namang gamit doon masyado. And sobrang layo niya. Shucks, ang layo na nilakad namin. Siguro naka 30,000 steps kami. Okay. But yeah, I got it. Kasi walang demohan eh. Hindi namin matatry pero okay lang yan. It's pearl silver. So nice. Can't wait to use this. This is 295 grams. I think my current is 285 or 280. Let's compare Wilson Blade V9 and Yonex 295 both. I swear, mas mabigat talaga yung Wilson. Mami, asan ka na? Si Mami, oh. Kasi baka ako may bias ako. This is both 295. Wilson, Yonex. Anong mas mabigat? Ito. Oh, see? Wilson is heavier. Kahit parehas lang 295 grams. Okay. This is it. We're going with this one. Magte-tennis din daw si Mami. Yan yung pili niya. Sinagay lang sa ulo pala. Ito yung mga Yonex. Ito yung una kong option dati. Bago yung V-Core. This is it. I wanted the purple one. But since lumabas to, and mas mura siya yung Muse compared to dito by like 10,000 yen. Parang A6 run small talaga. 6.5 na to, pero ang sikip sa akin. Tadaan! Let's check sa mirror. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's nice, but it's so sikip. Why is it so snug? Like, snug as in like, medyo masakit snug. And 6.5 na to. Like, it's cute, but I like the color, but I don't know about the fit. Okay guys, we're gonna try McDo here in Japan. Mga exclusive items yung kinuha ko eh. AKA Big Mac and Coke float. My usual. Let's try the Coke float. Pero parang less sweet yung kanila. Okay, next we have fries. So fresh. And then we have Big Mac. Cheers.
22 yung coins. 22.
Tukdan. Tapos ang Big Mac. Okay. Okay naman. That's it for the review. Okay guys, first purchase is done. Show your purchase. Yes. Nahanap na niya yung espadrilles na matagal na niya hinahanap sa New York. And it's finally here and may size siya. So, binili na niya. We're here para sa Mitsui Jazz Dream Nagashima Outlets. And ako, wala pa ako nabibili. I'm thinking mga pang tennis na damit. This is the outfit, by the way. Top is from Bershka, jeans from Addicted, and then my La Soledad shoes, and my Coach bag. So yeah, hindi ko alam kung ano yung next store namin, but we'll see. Let's go! Okay, we got Panda X, orange chicken, Mongolian pork, and fried rice. Let's have a taste. Mongolian pork.
Shorts ba siya?
Kasi di mo yung tile na nga. Hindi. It is currently 12:24 p.m. and it's Sunday, June 7. And nandito kami sa GU. Kasi bumibili kami ng... May nakita si maming dry waist tuck t-shirt. Malaki siya sa armpit. So, presko siya, presko. And then me, I got a polka dot skirt na hindi ko na isusukat kasi tinatamad na ako. I mean, smallest naman yun. Smallest sa store. And then I also got this pajama na naman. Kasi 24/7 ako nakapajama, so might as well. It's so nice. Meron siyang cherries. Tapos hindi siya satin. More on cotton siya. So, para maiba naman. And then, we also got Ativiel pajamas. Ito cute. Ito satin siya talaga. Tantananan! Meron siyang doggies. Di ko lang alam kung nandito si Fuji, pero parang wala. Pero yeah, cute. Also, this is the outfit pala today. Top is from Bershka. Skirt from Ate Chess. And then, La Soledad. So yeah, that's the outfit. Next store namin siguro sa Uniqlo. Kasi gusto ko tingnan yung... Oh, yan. This is for Ate Chess. Pink tank top. And you also have the white. Anyway, next store namin siguro Uniqlo. Kasi gusto ko tingnan yung collab. Na meron naman na sa Philippines. Pero medyo mahal kasi siya. So baka sakali. Mas mura here.
Siguro ba na ilagay ito sa ano mo?
Kaya. Yeah. Okay guys, we are here at Oasis 21. Nasa loob pa ng bag ko yung mic ko, so hindi na lang ako magmamic. And kanina pang umuulan, and look at the outfit. Nakachinelas pa talaga kung kailan umuulan. You know what I'm saying? Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Ayan si Mami. Ang laki ng payong ni Mami, oh. Kasi nakuha ko na yung huling clear na payong, eh. So, yung black na malaki yung nakuha niya. And apparently, ang Oasis 21 may skating rink siya pag December ata. Pero since hindi naman winter ngayon, walang skating rink. Pero alam ko meron yun eh.
Baka dito yung skating.
Yeah. Doon nagaganap ang skating. Pero since it's summer, supposedly summer ngayon, wala siya. So, we're gonna go down to the shops kasi apparently nasa baba yung shops. So, this is what it looks like. The shop. This is what it looks like. And then, so yeah, we're gonna go down now because I'm so over this rain. Nainis na ako. Basang-basa na yung pa ako. Pero, malinis naman siguro yung tubig baha nila dito. So, pwede na yan. So yeah, let's go! Hey guys, it is currently 2:42 p.m. and we're here sa Osu Shopping Street and I got Dippin' Dots. This is the rainbow flavor. Ganito pala yung lasa niya. Hindi ko na matandaan eh. It's too cold. Parang siyang Skittles flavor. Pero masarap naman siya. Tagal ko na hindi nag-Dippin' Dots. Weather check. Mahangin lang. Pero mainit. So, perfect yung ice cream. We just ate lunch sa Denny's. I'm not sure where we'll go after, but it's our last full day here in Nagoya. Medyo pagod na ako, honestly. Tagal namin nandito. And same spots lang yung pinupunta namin kasi shopping ang gusto namin. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Annyeong! Hey y'all! We're back sa Sake. Kasi finger heart daw is for Korea. So, the sign for Japan is this sign. Yes. We're going to Yodobashi camera kasi may pinapacheck si Ate Belle na shocks. Shocks ba yung tawag doon? And apparently, bagong release lang siya. So, we're gonna check. Here's Yodobashi. Pwede. Slay. Okay, we're gonna go to the earphone section. Okay guys, we found it.
Dito,
This is
11.9.
shocks. Yeah, this is better.
Yeah, yung wide. Para mas maganda yung
Mas
wide.
beige siya. Ito yung nagpapabili guys. Ito. Okay guys, we found it. We found the shocks.
Yes, kasi wala pa yan sa Philippines.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.